आप डिवोर्स भी हैंडल करते हैं ना?
हाँ, सारे
कुमार
cases,
शानू का
सारे।
फेमस केस।
उनका हाँ, अभी
हाँ।
मैंने डेफेमेशन, उनका तो ऑलरेडी डिवोर्स हो चुका है उनकी
You're smiling
एक्स
and
वाइफ
saying
से।
the case that made you very famous. Actually, I think Big Boss made you super famous also, but
Really? I was already famous before.
no, of course you were famous. You were famous.
I rejected Big Boss
but you
multiple times.
Take off the shoes when you enter the court.
I think not for lawyers, maybe for litigants, but for lawyers, I think.
But he was a lawyer.
Basis one lawyer, you can't really be unfair to the entire community, I feel. Even my client was granted clean chit along with Aryan Khan. So then what? Now you tell me. Now they did not, of course, file any petition for compensation, but who's going to restore them those 21 days that they spent behind the bars?
Samir Wankhede.
Huh.
So you're defending him on a defamation suit?
Yeah, defamation case against Mr. Nawab Malik. That's a separate case altogether.
Yes, finally, Cyrus Brocha, 1 year LLB, son of Farooq Brocha, 3 year LLB, son of Shahpurji Brocha, 3 year LLB, and my son, hopefully, Mikhail Brocha, one day will be LLB. But in the meantime, we have actual LLB who's practicing.
LLM, gold medalist.
LLM master.
Yeah, masters, gold medalist.
Show off mat kijiye, yaar. Then I have nothing to do. I have to build the brand. No? I have to build the brand together. Sana Rais Khan, for those of you who watch Big Boss, of course, that must have made her very popular, no doubt. But before that, she's handled many great cases. And right now, अभी ये show के पहला, मतलब actually 10-20-25 minute पहला, she was talking for a case, arguing for a case in the Supreme Court of India. From the car because of technology.
No, not from the car.
Then from the?
From my place, I argued.
Achha, from the place. Sorry. From the, due respect to the car.
We are not really permitted to argue from the car.
We are not permitted. And when I say we, I am also 1 year LLB. So, but she was doing some huge Supreme Court case. And then she was doing Shilpa Shetty ka kuch
I was on a
personality
conference
rights.
call with her. Yeah, I've already filed for her for protection of her personality
Can
rights
you-
in the Bombay High Court.
See, this whole show, we called you here because we've seen many of your podcasts. You've become very popular with podcasters also. I don't want to ask you too much repeat questions. So we are doing what is called like a legal special episode. And not paying for it. Because charges, मेरे ख्याल से, I mean, we are talking, what is like lakhs of rupees per day?
Yeah, I charge a bomb for
You yourself are saying I charge a bomb.
I'm very,
अबे यार.
I'm very, like, people say that I'm very reserved, but actually my words carry that kind of weightage. So I utter my words very carefully because each words count.
And success rate is important also, no?
Yeah, but then at the same time, I balance it out. I do certain matters pro bono also. Yeah.
Like this podcast, in a sense.
Yeah.
So this is our legal episode. So we've got some points. But if you want to talk about any other cases and all, which come to your mind, which you'd like to tell us about, which are interesting, please do at any point. So I want to start with this, वो Luthra का जो case है, the Goa Romeo place. What's it called? Abhi sir, you're the disco king. Huh? Dekha, how well trained I am, you see. I asked 5 people in the room for the first one. Birch by Romeo Lane.
Okay.
गोवा में तो फायर डिस्को का जो फायर हुआ था ना, and then the 2 brothers fled to Thailand. Okay, and now they've been deported back. So I want to ask you, in such a case, like, how do you, if a fire happens inside, the proprietors don't even live there. They're in Delhi. They own it, right? But that is some human error that has happened. Why are they fully responsible for the fire that happens inside?
So basically, I think what they would like to attribute towards him is negligence. Like how I handled the Ghatkopar hoarding case, collapse case. I secured.
Oh, it fell on the.
Yeah, so I handled that case and I secured that guy. I secured release of the main guy, Bhavesh Bhinde, who was accused and who was a proprietor of the company. But my argument before the court was quite similar, that it's an act of God. Unfortunately, it happened.
So how act
but
of God वो
but again,
जो vendors है जो
वो सारे
hoarding बनाते हैं, isn't it there?
Exactly. तो वो सब मीडिया में जिस तरह से ये आउटरीच हुआ, and of course public sentiment is high because so many people died. But I speak basis the charge sheet and evidence. जो मैंने पूरा देखा तो सारे compliances थे, proper procedures, everything was followed, and he has actually obtained proper.
Bhavesh is the owner.
Bhinde.
Let's understand.
Yes.
Bhavesh is owner.
Bhavesh is the proprietor of the company.
Proprietor of the company.
Yes.
Not the guy who put up the hoarding.
He is the proprietor of the company जिसके तरफ से hoarding गई थी.
हाँ वो है, मगर वो actual जो.
No, not the yes, not the guy. Exactly.
So that is where the error is, ना?
एग्जैक्टली वो जो जिन्होंने किया काम वो भी उनका भी वो भी अक्यूज बने थे बट मेन इनको बताया गया बिकॉज इनकी कंपनी ने लगाया था वो होर्डिंग वो था बट देन अल्टीमेटली ऑफ कोर्स कंप्लायंसेस सारे फॉलो हुए थे अब उस दिन जो विंड की स्पीड थी वो एक्सीडिंगली हाई थी जो नॉर्मल डे टू डे से बेसिस पे ज्यादा हाई थी अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आल्सो देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ लूप होल्स एंड लक्यूनास इन द चार्ज शीट व्हिच आई पॉइंटेड आउट बिफोर द कोर्ट जो मीडिया में तो अलग तरीके से ही जा रहा था उसके बाद
Sana, I know the case is over, so you can talk about it.
Yeah.
You tell me honestly कि wind speed की वजह से ये गिर गया.
वो भी
I mean,
वो
how many times the hoarding?
normal
अब मैं तो वालकेश्वर में रहता हूँ. I pray कि the hoarding falls. Because every day we see these horrible hoardings everywhere we look. But wind speed
this
doesn't
was
affect.
also one of the contributory factors. But apart from that, while जब वो अपॉइंटमेंट उनका आया उससे पहले कुछ थे परमिशंस जो पहले से ही उनके अपॉइंटमेंट से पहले ही दे दिए गए थे फिर जब वो आए तो उनको नॉलेज एट्रीब्यूट नहीं किया जा सकता था रिगार्डिंग ऑल दोस कंप्लायंसेस बट व्हाइल ड्यूरिंग हिज टेन्योर ही वाज ऑलवेज वेरी विजिलेंट रिगार्डिंग द कंप्लायंसेस सो टू एट्रीब्यूट फॉर कल्पेबल होमिसाइड नॉट अमाउंटेड टू मर्डर दिस चार्ज वुड गेट अट्रैक्टेड यूजुअली इन सच केसेस negligence mens rea knowledge is extremely essential if you're not able to impute this kind of negligence or mens rea to the accused how would he be even charged for an offense like this
But exactly what you're saying, I think it applies to some extent. Please don't write letters to us. With this Goa Birch Apollo, what is the name of the restaurant? Birch by Romeo Lane. थोड़ा मुश्किल है उसमें really. I mean,
1 year LLB.
1 year LLB is struggling with that. But I'm saying that they are not involved. See, they are the proprietors. They own it. They set it up. That's all
Exactly,
there.
हाँ.
But the running of it is not them. They're far
Correct.
away. One is in Delhi. One is somewhere else. So they're not involved in the running. So जो हुआ उस दिन जो हुआ वो घटना. That's whoever's running it there. Some negligence or human error.
Exactly.
Human error
On part of the person
them.
who's actually
So you're still
looking at the day-to-day affairs and management.
So that's exactly somewhat what you are saying with the Bhavesh case, na? He has set
Correct.
it up. He has done everything via the protocol that is being given a transcript.
Compliance is followed. Absolutely.
Compliance is followed. Uske baad, you're saying from wind factor to all kinds of other issues, it has happened, including the skilled laborer who's supposed to have put it up.
Absolutely. Architect.
So same thing with this thing. So why is the proprietor fully responsible is what I'm saying. When actually the person who should be blamed is the person who's actually at the fault in the moment of this arson or fire happening.
Absolutely. So perhaps due diligence and negligence on his part is being attributed because what the allegations could be that he has not followed the proper compliance या due procedure which should have been followed for construction और ये सारी चीजों में.
It's very possible because अपना इंडिया में बहुत सारे as you know better than us बहुत सारे compliances and rules and laws have to be folled.
Absolutely.
It's almost impossible ना.
Absolutely.
अभी आप डिवोर्स भी हैंडल करते हैं ना?
हाँ सारे
कुमार शानू का फेमस केस
उनका हाँ अभी मैंने डेफेमेशन उनका तो ऑलरेडी डिवोर्स हो चुका है उनकी एक्स वाइफ से मैंने आपको बिकॉज यू आस्किंग मी
ये प्लेजेंट न्यूज़ स्टोरी है ना कांग्रेचुलेशंस डिवोर्स्ड
no so he's remarried and he's having a second wife now and he's having 2 daughters
second wife मतलब दो एक साथ सेकंड वाइफ नहीं है he's had a relationship is having a second wife first wife is gone or first wife is there
first wife से उनका डिवोर्स हो चुका है and 32 years के बाद
that you handle that
so I'm just handling that defamation case abhi we have already secured protection of his personality rights from the Delhi High Court and there's a separate
is he worried about personality or worried about divorce
both
ये दो चीज it's very scary make up your mind sir
no personality rights में उनको relief मिल चुका है this is a complete see personality rights तो बहुत generic है ना वो तो हर चीज आपके image likeness sound voice हर चीज को protect करता है अभी इतने सारे AI voices आते हैं they are monetizing using his voice without his knowledge and they're making fortune out of it so yeah so वो तो also
mimicry करते हैं and some of them are very good जो नकल करते हैं they actually very close to the singer I mean if you go to B towns and all they actually perform as you know Ramgarh का
names like Junior Kumar Sanu senior Kumar Sanu so these are all infringement
original Kumar Sanu भी है
yeah you never know people can
so
stoop to any
technically a lot of money has been made of pan India perhaps pan world NRI community and all that we don't know
and that's the reason now people are becoming more aware about their personality traits their likeness and their attributes and they're actually taking action against the same
started with Amitabh or Akshay or one of the actors started Jackie Shroff
का भी था करेक्ट बिडू उन्होंने तो अपने वो
मैंने बहुत इस्तेमाल किया I have used it all the time बिडू
but you're not monetizing out of it no you're not commercially gaining out of it so the intent and the mens rea is also essential
Sana I've asked girls out using this technique hey bidu what's up
bidu
Yeah.
Really, and
Yeah,
girls,
अपना ज़माना में
girls
that
get
was very,
swayed.
very
Girls-
charming, very
they will-
charming.
They will get swayed by this also because it's you who's saying
Yeah.
Bidu. It's okay. Like
Today they
no
go
matter.
to Bandra police station immediately, but 90s एक अलग चीज, different time, different ज़माना. Yeah, so Kumar Sanu, so in the case of divorce, first I want to ask you one thing. When you have to go and talk to him obviously and find out कि what happened. They have to be very open, right? Because ये अभी very ugly चीज है and people say all kinds of horrible things about the partner. In fact, families say about each other, etc., etc. So
Yes.
you must be hearing all those. In the middle, do you ever say कि अभी एक गाना सुनाओ? Just to change the mood. Sana, these are important things. And have you ever thought if you and him started a company you could call it Sana Shanu? Sana Shanu. Sana Shanu.
I'm a good singer, by the way.
Yeah, you good singer?
Yeah.
Sing.
I have, now it's so embarrassing. ऐसे अचानक.
Happy birthday.
You
गाओ.
say.
Happy birthday गाओ. Generic गाना.
I'll sing 4 lines.
हाँ.
तू थोड़ी देर और ठहर जा सोनिया, बस थोड़ी देर और ठहर जा. Stay a little longer with me, baby. Won't you stay a little longer with me?
But you're singing to Sonia.
Hmm?
You're singing to Sonia.
It's like English, Hindi and English version of the same song.
हाँ वो तो है, but the character's name is Sonia.
No, it's like I think lover, right? Lover.
अबे सना जी
Don't
का
worry.
सना जी का
No!
लॉयर सना जी का लॉयर कौन है? She's looking off camera. I want to see who she can afford. Yeah. हाँ. Okay.
Yeah, so I'm.
Did you sing for Kumar Sanu? I mean, while interacting, did you ever say कि boss?
No, but he knows that I'm a good singer. He's
How?
already
He heard
aware
you?
of the fact. I've informed him, so he's like, okay, that's good to know.
हाँ. Oh, that's his reaction.
Yeah.
वो जल गया थोड़ा. Why can't you be a comedian? Okay. So that was a
But
success.
of course, he's a legendary singer. And
Huh.
but apart from that, what happened was unfortunate because 40 years in the industry, 4 decades, and he's given so much to the industry. And itna hard work, it takes. It takes such a long time to actually build your career, and suddenly after 32 years after separation, suddenly somebody's coming and just. Making derogatory statements
extortion.
against him, especially in light of the fact that divorce decree has been executed, in which there is a term which specifically stipulates that now no parties shall make any claim against each other or defame each other in the future. Despite of that, ऐसी चीजें होती है, breach होता है consent terms का, and now people go out and make defamatory statements, and for whatever reasons. But this is very unfortunate. So ultimately, of course, we took action. I sent legal notices, and all these platforms were kind enough to actually pull them down pursuant to receiving my legal notice, and now we've already filed a suit also in the court in the Bombay High Court as well.
And regarding payment, so he has to now perform anytime you call him. कुमार जी, बेटा का बर्थडे है कल 6 बजे होटल ग्रैंड सिनेमा. But you have a good relationship?
Yeah, I have good relation with my clients, but
Yeah.
I'm
These are all-
usually very professional with them.
No, what I mean is these are very personal things. So I'm just presuming they're very grateful
Yeah.
at the end. Huh?
At the end, yeah, he's very happy for whatever I've been able to do, legally for him, because personality rights का भी order मिल गया, which is a landmark order. Already, all these defamatory videos, few of them have been pulled down, few of them exist in fragments, अभी भी है, reels और ये सब है. But restraining order is essential right now, which we are proceeding.
Okay.
forward.
IVM, please remove all the Kumar Sanu videos that we have. Just Abhishek, just mark
Yeah,
it.
now he's already declared a
Sana's
personality by
laughing
the
and
High
singing,
Court.
laughing and singing here. Once he leaves, she'll send a notice. So I'm just, these people are the same. I come from a whole line of lawyers. I know how
1 year
they are.
LLB,
हाँ,
you're
1 year.
also the same.
I would have completed LLB. I'll join MTV.
Did you really do 1 year LLB?
अरे गवर्नमेंट लॉ अरे वो 6 बजे का फर्स्ट क्लास.
No
So my
wonder
pal
I have-
Samir and I, we used to go on the motorbike and we used to go down Siri Road where I live, without using any fuel. What good days. We saved the petrol till Marine Drive middle. And we go there. We carried Times of India off yesterday for a pillow and one to cover the light as the light happens. 6 to 9 we sleep right at the back. It was like jolly LLB. It was
So then
exactly
why
like
didn't you
that.
complete?
Then what happened is I started working with MTV and they sent me to the Northeast during that exam period. I think March, April exam period pe. And it was 14-15 days, so I had to miss 1 or 2 exams. But the money was very good, so I decided I'll do it next year.
Money was good for your MTV.
Yeah,
shows,
from nothing, suddenly I was getting
Correct,
very decent
correct,
money.
correct.
So what to do?
But as a lawyer also, it's monetarily
No,
rewarding.
true,
always.
but takes a long time.
I
na.
know. But I think you
नहीं,
cut
नहीं,
out for this.
मैं KC College join किया उसके बाद.
You did?
I love KC College. When I was there in 90s, KC College, it was run by the peon. I don't remember his name. Let's call him Ramlal. Ramlal, he had pan in his mouth all the time and he would be like, मैं आने का जम्मा था, तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं, कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा, हाँ रामलाल हूँ मैं, बस दे दो अपना और हो जाएगा काम. And I loved it. This is the
So
India.
you actually didn't go
Sana,
at
this
all.
is the India I wanted. Yeah, no, he said he'll inform you when the exams are there. You
He
can't.
never informed you.
No, again I missed it. He did. Ramlal is not to blame for India losing its greatest lawyer, Sanaji. Don't blame him.
Good, no, I'm not. I don't have a competitor anymore.
Yeah. But Kumar Sanu,
You would have given me a
you-
ride.
his divorce from you would have happened because I'd have taken him. Okay, listen, we are already talking a lot. I want to quickly get this out of the way so there's no trouble. The case that made you very famous. Actually, I think Big Boss made you super famous also. But
Really? I was already famous before.
no, of
Big
course
Boss.
you were famous. You're famous.
I rejected Big Boss
but you're
multiple times.
But you're famous for the law. You're famous for your
Yeah.
profession. You're famous
Yeah,
for intelligent
pan-India
people who
famous.
follow your stories. When you go to Big Boss,
Yeah, pan
the
India.
Dhobi's son, with due respect, goes, "Hey, Chanaji! You know, you get those reactions. You don't get those reactions from being a lawyer.
Yeah.
Huh?
You've also experienced it, no?
Yeah. I got a lot of...
We all make decisions sometimes. Which
Sana, I live in South Bombay, so I got a lot of like people spitting and all. वो है Ramlal spat his pan on me. He said, failure. Complete भी नहीं किया गांड. Ramlal, I love you. But those days, watchman and peon was the most important person in corporate building and in school or in college. Without them, you can't go anywhere. I don't know what happened now, but if you knew the watchman and the peon, everything would get done. Your child will get admission, you will become MBBS, everything will get done. The world has changed. What to do? So I want to get the
the
elephant.
brilliant lawyer we missed out on. Seriously,
I come
India
from
has
three
lost.
generations of lawyers, Sana. But why are you talking about me? What an ego.
This is how-
Famous Supreme
this is the
Court
beauty-
lawyer, big cases, and we are discussing my legacy.
That's how it's organically.
But sometimes I feel jealous. You know, our friend Shreya here, who's a producer, she comes from a doctor family. उसने eclat किया, right? Eclat? And she got very good marks. And she would have walked into many of the colleges of Mumbai itself. And then last minute she decided not to go. And she's here working in this stupid line
But I think
podcast.
she's enjoying her life.
She's enjoying, and
It's
maybe
important that
maybe
you
she'll
enjoy your
grow and all
work.
that. But she could have become the next Sana. See, you know, नीचे जाके देखो गाड़ी कौन से हैं. And then go and see the marketing head का गाड़ी, which is an Uber, which will come when he's leaving, and not the black. Small Uber, छोटा, जो पॉकेट में डालते हैं. Yeah. Client में, so customer has to do the kickstart. Yeah, they don't understand anything. Throw it all away. So let's not talk about me. I want to quickly get this out of the way because we have to talk about it. We can't not talk about it. So,
But it's so interesting to hear about you as well. Your story is also super interesting.
what do you want to hear about
I'll
me?
do a separate podcast with you someday when I will interview.
I'll tell you my problems. I got up in the morning, I looked at the pillow, 4 more hairs were there. Now, first I thought, did I sleep other way around? No. I slept this way, which means from the head. So every day, less hair is there. So this is my basic issues. I don't know, Shilpa Shetty calls you for the same problems? No, no. Those are different. Kumar Sanu ka वो है original?
I think so, yeah, should be.
कैसा पूछो ना client से? That's what a question to ask also. I mean, how can you ask this question? I do one thing to check when men who are wearing wigs. गला लगा दे ऐसा, and you just shake them. No, with love. You're not aggressive.
गिर जाएगा.
Yeah. And then, no, हिलता है. That's enough. I mean,
Seriously.
come on, man. You can tell. Some old-fashioned wigs are horrible. Yeah, really. I see guys every day. I see a guy. I'm thinking, boy, अभी 2025 में ये नहीं होगा. People can see you. Yeah. And he still
Now
thinks his
men
wife
have-
doesn't know he's bald. Because
Now I think men have no qualms in even proceeding with rejuvenation, hair,
Ah,
transplant and all.
Yeah, but it's very expensive. and very painful, Sana.
Is
If you
it?
tell your clients. Because they do one hair at a time.
Oh,
Yeah.
I think.
Abhishek, show your hair. Just kidding. Sana, let's talk about this and get this out of the way. So this Indrani Mukherjee landmark case, which I really think sent you to another level, because trial by media, I accept that. But all of us follow that case. Some of us know a lot of the people involved. And it looked like game, set, match. Checkmate. It looked like, how did she get bail? I mean, I've seen the documentary also. So
Correct.
in short, I'm asking you.
Yeah, I
And
was also there in the documentary.
But the second question is, why do you take a case like that? And do you get scared to take a case like that?
No. In fact, I'm not a faint-hearted person. If I was that kind of person who gets scared, I don't think I would be in criminal litigation, and I would be taking up all these cases boldly. So of course, scare and this is out of the question. But of course, when she approached me, I did not say yes instantly. So I asked her to send the papers across. And when I was onboarded, like when she appointed me, she's already behind the bar since more than 4 years, 2 months, 6 years, 2 months, like almost 6.5 years she'd already spent behind the bars and running from pillar to post and engaging this lawyer, that lawyer. So she'd almost given up when she'd appointed me. So I was the one who actually infused a new ray of hope in her, and I said that we should work it out after reading the papers. It's not like I said, oh, instantly, Indrani, it's your case, I'm saying yes. After going, it took me about 3-4 days to actually go through the entire voluminous charge sheet. And when I felt that, okay, no, this is a good case, and why is this lady really like rotting inside since such a long time? She needs to be out. And then that's how I started,
So here's the
strategically.
question, which you may or may not answer. So do we, as lawyers, do we have to take the case when it comes to us, or do we have to believe in the client's innocence?
See, I believe that lawyers cannot be moral gatekeepers. It's like constitutional. We are
job.
constitutionally also bound to believe that the cardinal rule, principle of criminal jurisprudence, and in fact law for that matter, is that a person is presumed to be innocent until proven guilty by the court. Now, the media may have declared her guilty, and she's already guilty in the minds of the public. But for me, of course, I will stick to my constitutional principle. So, of course, when I read the papers, that makes me decide. It's like, of course, I also take a moral call also, because I have refused cases of these babas you are hearing, जो आज तक अंदर ही है, you understood who I'm
Asaram.
talking. Like, I don't need to mention the name, but you understood.
Can't mention the name.
I don't need to mention the name, but I've refused these cases point blank because I
Because you
know
don't-
morally, I know somewhere that does not resonate, and I really, that's why I'm saying
Resonate, matlab, see, I'm using all big words.
After-
So you believe they are not innocent?
after reading the papers, when I feel that
Okay, so
I usually read before I actually take up the case.
I mean, yeah,
That's
that would be a good policy.
I think that works for me.
So I'm just, again, if you don't want to answer, that's fine. So what I'm saying is, do you have the compulsion you must defend them, or you feel कि boss, in this case, the Baba you're referring to, ये तो guilty whatever, ये तो innocent नहीं है, and you sort of back off?
Yeah, it's always
Or could you still defend knowing they're guilty? That's my question.
it's the choice of the lawyer, honestly.
we'll never
But it's not. In fact, it's not incumbent upon the client also to confess to the lawyer that whether they have done it or not.
Oh, it's not?
Not. See, it's not incumbent. They may.
So you never
they
have the
may never
conversation,
really.
boss, are you guilty or not? You don't have this conversation.
I don't ask them this question. That's why I believe in reading the papers, because I don't think that any client
what?
is really going to
Yeah,
confess
what
and
kind
say,
of
"Yeah, I
client
have
will
done
come?
it. I have done it."
I'm guilty, man. Kuch to karo. You're famous. Big boss. Loved it.
Yeah, so naturally nobody's going to actually come and confess to me. So I don't even, that's not a yardstick to even, define whether this person is innocent or guilty. For me, it's always the papers and the record and the evidence, because that's what court functions on, and that's how I present my case usually. That's how I actually secure release for people who've been accused of cutting girlfriend into pieces, who bombs were found in their houses. मतलब ऐसे heinous cases में भी मैंने लोगों को इंसाफ दिलाया, but not because of the allegations, because of my interpretation of the charge sheet.
But we have a system. Even Ajmal Kasab gets a defense. Right?
Absolutely. Correct.
And he got a
correct,
defense. I think public
correct.
defense. I can't remember.
Correct.
कौन था, but
हाँ.
you get a defense. So ultimately, you
correct.
also have to defend, right?
Yes, right. That is also one of your constitutional right to fair trial, right to legal representation. If you're an accused, if you can't afford a lawyer, so the state provides you,
Right.
legal aid. So that's how it is. Right to legal representation also is a facet of your constitutional right.
Okay, coming back to, I want to ask you more questions, because every podcast is asked only about these questions. So I mean, you please refer to other podcasts. Yeah, Big Boss, see all the episodes, although the conversation is not so much about cases.
Yeah. Big Boss is not about
Because
cases.
everybody is interested.
I was entertaining there. I
And
think.
they're interested in their own case, right? No one's-
वहाँ पे तो अंडों के लिए क्या अंडे चिकन के लिए लड़ते थे, मैं सोचती थी, ओ गॉड, मतलब मैं बाहर क्या केसेस देख के मैं क्या देखने आई हूँ, यहाँ पे अंडे के लिए लड़ रहे, चिकन के लिए लड़ रहे, like literally.
But it's a social experiment. People
Yeah,
think
I know, but it's fun. No?
It's fun also.
It's fun.
No matter,
Even I went for experience, just for experience.
and also ultimately everyone will react. People say, why do you do this? How do you do that? Why this?
Bound to,
You
हाँ.
take away khana, you take away eggs,
Sleep.
you take away meat, sleep.
Sleep deprived.
Yeah, you punish someone, give them some ridiculous punishment and all that. People start reacting. Yeah.
Absolutely.
So, I mean, let's be honest. Whole India should try Big Boss. What? You have tried. No one's answering.
Mentally challenging and stimulating also.
No, इतना तो नहीं है. People think it's just it is a lot of बकवास and all, and a lot of acting from a lot of people who are pretending it's a great competition. जैसा Wimbledon का final में पहुंच गया. I mean, it's just a silly competition, but they are.
I was so never even there to win.
No, I have
It's not
discussed
even a
this with
competition for me.
No, the press would ask you things like, "आपका game क्या है? आपका strategy क्या है?" What are you talking about? This is not Battle of Panipat. What are you talking about? What game? What strategy? You're sitting with 16 people. You just don't want to fart in public. Bas. Right? I mean, it's not that deep, yaar. But uske baad, I think honestly there were lots of good moments. Also, people do bond. You have find people who you can be comfortable with, and there's some
Yeah.
nice moments.
Very
It just
few of them who are actually your kind, with whom you can connect.
but
and
there you. This is what you have.
This
na?
is what you get, right?
This is what you get. Yeah.
Yeah.
And also, I think end of the day, if you're younger, it's better.
Yeah.
I was 50 when I went in, so I just felt that if I was 20, I would have had much more fun. But at 50, they irritate you after some time. You know, it's like your own kids are talking all the time, not letting you sleep. It's like that. Anyway, I'll ask you about Big Boss a little later. I want to ask you one more question before we take a break. You handled divorce and all that. My wife, I'm thinking Jan 3rd अपना 25 years complete हो जाएगा.
Oh
साल
wow!
मेरा. Yeah.
Congratulations.
But I don't want to go into 26. Your comments.
My comments. I would dissuade you from actually even thinking in that direction.
Why, you don't think
I believe I think both of you are a lovely couple, and I don't think that you would like to spend so much on your lawyer's fees. You know.
This is the very compelling argument, Milord. Very compelling argument. I'll stay with her.
And
No,
what
I'm not going to spend money.
what about the maintenance, alimony, and all that?
And I think I'm earning more than her, so I'll
Absolutely.
I'll switch
then.
this around.
And then you'll have to
By the way, what
you'll
is
have to
this?
give her the equal the same lifestyle that
Yeah,
you've maintained
is
her
that true?
for the last 25
So
years.
the higher
Correct.
earning person has to pay for her lifestyle even though they're separate.
Because you have children, right? And
Yeah.
So who will get the custody? That is also another question.
I'll keep the kids. I'll give her my relatives. Good exchange.
Still, alimony, maintenance. Would you be willing to
one-time settlement?
one-time settlement? But what if the one-time settlement is more than a lifetime of money? What if it's
Or for
that
all the
kind
good memories, I'm saying 25,000. 30 करूँ मैं? Boys, Meena all saying yes.
तो ऐसा लग रहा है
सना जी,
शगुन दे रहे.
Phone सना जी, 25,000 में हो जाएगा. Maximum.
I'm your lawyer,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I'll ensure you don't have to pay anything.
But what is the worst divorce case you handled where they've been like really bad? Means matlab the way they talk.
Like silly kind of frivolous kind of divorce cases I've seen where, you know, just because the man was not paying for her Kerastase shampoos, he said that, you know, you really don't need to spend on high budget shampoos. Like if even this kind of
Such
shampoo
mein?
would do this, would probably
You said this in
serve
court?
the purpose. No, I'm telling you
Huh.
that in such cases I really don't feel the need. I mean
That
this
was the
could-
only reason?
Yeah, that is one of the major reasons why she actually was proceeding with divorce. Then worst kind, if you'll ask me, then I have seen actually, you know, people misusing the women also, you know, like domestic violence act. If you see the victim definition of victim in domestic violence is only women. Why?
Fraud.
Domestic violence. It
Huh.
means if
Only
like,
the
for
female
example,
can
husband,
affected.
only
Yeah, I've been
victim
hit.
is
I've been
only.
hit. Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Obviously, you see these cases like Sonam Raghuvanshi and all that. Men are being killed by the women, and still we have this regressive statute where
That's a very
victim is
good
only a
point.
woman.
And you're saying this as a woman. That it should be equal.
Absolutely.
It's very
Why-
possible.
Exactly.
Huh.
Now, just like you, so many men are being really abused. Right?
No, my wife is a triathlete. She's very strong.
Black belt.
Triathlete, cycling, swimming, and running. Yeah. All things for which you get very little money. But the main thing is that, you know, she's very strong. So I think this is a very good
Physically,
point.
I think, yeah.
She's got strong legs. Yeah,
Yeah.
I can tell you.
So
Yeah.
they're misusing these. Unnecessarily, they're actually out of vendetta. They are instituting law in motion. They're setting law in motion, criminal law in motion. In cases like this, you know, not just these kind of, you know, even girlfriend boyfriend now relationship starts, and then the girl files a false rape case against the
Yeah,
guy.
this Me Too, na?
Yeah.
After Me Too, it's a little scary.
Ah.
Is it true that now one of my friends got put inside the station for the weekend because the wife filed something about domestic abuse or fight or
Domestic
something?
violence,
Domestic
yeah.
violence. And he couldn't get out for like 36 hours. I mean, they just kept him in till...
But I don't think domestic violence case होगा. It's a quasi civil case. I think it must be 498 है. Dowry के allegations होंगे ये सब. तो उसमें भी, but you know,
But is Me Too-
but all these allegations you have to actually serve a notice. You can't really put somebody behind the bars
But they
arbitrarily
don't have
just
you,
like
na.
that.
They don't have you. They go to any lawyer, like say any other graduates from Ramlal Cause or in South Bombay colleges. These things can happen. Yeah. But I'm glad you're saying this. That
Yeah.
of course the proportion is still more women who are suffering, but there are a few men.
Absolutely.
And you'll see them like
Gender
Abhay sir, our
neutrality is-
DOP. You'll see his back is bent, his mood is gone. Uska jo atma hai na, wo hai nahi. I mean, there's nothing left. They've taken everything. He's just one shell, and he's walking. Jukke jate hai aisa na. Even people passing by, they feel bad to run him over. Because the boss is already run over, metaphorically. So we can't double. Dobara kyun karu na? Don't mind, Abisa. I'm fighting for you. We are one tribe. He's very, very sensitive. We'll take a break and then we'll come back. Lots more to talk about. I actually have lots of facts. I hope I can get them in quickly. Sana, are you ready? After the break.
Yeah.
Did you know Indians report nearly 800 cases of online financial fraud every day, which has resulted in losses exceeding 1,000 crores in the last 5 years? To keep you safe from such fraud, I am starting my newest podcast series, Conversation with Vigilante, an initiative by HDFC Bank. In every episode, I will feature special guests who can share expert insights on the different types of fraud, their modus operandi, and how you can protect your money. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't forget to tune into Conversation with Vigilante. Catch the episodes on all audio streaming platforms and V for Vigilante YouTube channel.
Sana is asking our cameraman to get her the coffee. This is a lack of respect lawyers have for our profession. This poor man, 43 years, he has shot Amitabh Bachchan, Dilip Kumar, that kind of... Then, of course, he's fallen into podcasts, but life is cruel. Don't worry, sir.
I hope I don't start beeping.
आपका number आएगा. No chance. Okay, listen. I hope I can fit in as much. I'll come to the Aryan Khan case. Supreme Court is reviewing a joint suggestion to prevent physical attacks on judges. Now, the last CJI, of course, there was a shoe that was thrown at him. I won't get into the case, but this is happening quite often across the world. How does this? They check you all the time for everything when you go to these places.
But
People like me.
shoes, wow,
वो तो
who
है, वो
would
तो
really
है.
imagine that somebody's going to throw the shoes?
Yeah, but a lot of how can you actually do that?
Absolutely condemnable, because that's
But
that
the
amounts to
CGI,
contempt
the
of
CGI
court.
himself said let him be.
No, then of
The
course there was
lawyer's
a
body
remark.
took action and I
correct.
think it suspended him.
Yeah,
Yeah.
correct.
Huh.
So,
But do you think we need to do something about this? That you take off the shoes when you enter the court?
I think not for lawyers, maybe for litigants, but for lawyers, I think.
But he was a lawyer.
Basis one lawyer, you can't really be unfair to the entire community, I feel.
will take
because
off
it
one
would really
shoe.
be
Compromise. Because like out of court settlement. One shoe nikalo. One shoe. Because then it will be very embarrassing for him to take out that one shoe. His balance will go. Ek shoe pe. I'm just asking you. Don't have to answer. Yeah. This is also Shreya has put together. So not all these points are for people of my age group. She is 24 years old. The new labor laws. So the new labor laws, apparently we have a certain amount of hours per week. And now the new labor laws say that we will have to be paid overtime if you cross those hours per week. Will that really ever happen? People work here. Nobody knows what time they leave. But India में this system तो अलग है ना.
yeah, but
Culture is different from say Western 9, 5, 501 out.
But I think that's a positive contribution, no, towards the society. What do you feel? Because
No, the
exploitation.
idea is great. I'm a great time guy. I love
Yeah.
time. Time is important. But in India, where I've worked, I'm sure you've got the
say
same.
execution and enforcement could be difficult, is what you're saying.
Yeah, people don't really go by that in India. That's why foreigners suffer when they work with us. Because they don't understand 9 बजे का कुछ meaning नहीं है. 9 बजे का मतलब है sometime in the day we will meet you. And pack up 5 o'clock. Come on. India may pack up 5 o'clock. I mean, that's not even funny here. So you're fighting a culture. The culture is not there for this, except in certain like army, where there's that kind of discipline. So I'm just asking, does it make sense to have these laws? They're there on paper. Will they be enforced?
Enforcement and execution, I think, would vary from organization to organization. And I think also if you have beautiful employers like you, I think.
Beautiful?
Beautiful personality. Beautiful heart, mind, soul, and handsome.
Personality or handsome?
Handsome also. Beautiful personality and you're handsome also.
Okay, fair enough.
In my eyes, you are.
Milord, I want to point out a Me Too moment. I am not comfortable. And she's not letting me divorce my wife, yet she's flirting. Well, what the hell is going on? This is not allowed in our culture. Okay, we want to come to that big show. Then we have this Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi case against them. The ED charge sheet was thrown out by the court. Do you know this case?
I've heard about it.
The complaint filed by ED under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act was not maintainable as the case was based on a private complaint, not an FIR. So when big names are targeted by anybody anywhere, sometimes very frivolous, but they still have to go and face and in some obscure court far away from where they live, etc. It's normally done like that.
Correct.
So how do we stop that? Don't the judges sort of understand that obviously there's not much meat in this case?
Now, though, in fact, nowadays, social media targeting and there's a different set of kind of prosecution conducted on social media due to public outrage, before actually it reaches the court. So, what is happening now? And then social media does not have rules and regulations like court has, and there's no remedy for like law available there. So, this what you're saying is absolutely true. But I think once due to heightened visibility, I think public personalities have to bear the brunt of their stature and their.
But like what you're saying, people start thinking they're guilty because you only read the first two
Absolutely.
lines. You hear the video that's been
Correct.
made 1-2 lines. No?
Correct, because nobody
Ilzam lagaya. That's
attention
enough.
span of reading the entire article also.
No, and 10 times it'll come.
Correct,
like how Goebbels
correct.
said in Nazi
It'll go
Germany.
viral all over.
No, you say a lie 100 times, it becomes the truth. No, you just keep saying like that.
Yeah,
That's
correct.
why keep saying I'm
That's
handsome.
why you need a strong.
Keep saying I'm handsome.
That you are.
99 times more. We have the
I don't
time.
mind.
We have the time.
That's why you need a strong legal representation also, in such cases, who can probably set it straight on record before the media also, like really give it out. That otherwise you'll be actually like a pushover. That media is just writing against you, about you, and you're
But
not,
that is so
and you're
So
not
you
really
need to- you
sticking
have-
up.
You have to have a media presence to keep your name. You have to use the media, not the law.
No, law though, of course, that's a separate thing altogether. But I'm saying that, like, while they're carrying all these disparaging, defamatory articles, it's important that your quote also goes out there, your
Yeah.
clarification. Because in such cases, situations, I don't think silence is golden. Such cases, you need to
Oh,
speak
so
up.
what you're saying is that you-
And in law, of course, defamation, see, Article 21. Right to repetition is also a facet of your constitutional right under Article 21. So that the law also creates a boundary from right to speech to if it extends the boundary and if it actually starts defaming you, if any statement is disparaging, defamatory, we should immediately move the court, and you can always take a pull down order. There's a strong takedown mechanism also now. You can you can annex all those URLs now. Specific URLs which are bothering you,
remove them.
disparaging, and seek protection from the court that direct these so and so defendants to remove them, to pull them down, because of course they remain forever on the internet for you to get humiliated.
Like there's a show called Hello Friends. TV पे आया था, Z TV पे, and I don't even remember it, and they keep replaying it, and then people laugh at me.
You're a part of it.
I don't know
Now I'll go watch. I'll go back home and I'll watch it.
which court will save us now. I don't know. The court of public opinion is very harsh. There's no system there only whatsoever.
So
So
they're in Hippipure, no?
no, but a second person is asking, was I in Hippipuri? Kunal Roy Kapoor. Kunal Roy Kapoor. But I wish I was. Good money. Chalo, let me see what I have before we get into that very big case. So Supreme Court law regarding stray dogs, they went up and down. I'm a big dog lover. Sana, be careful what you say. They went up and down with the case in August, and then they repealed it. The whole idea, mota is that basically they are saying that in certain areas like schools, colleges, sporting areas, and hospitals, we cannot keep any dogs there. So we'll remove them, put them in so-called homes or what do you want to call them, enclosures, which are not there because there's so many dogs, and then sterilize them but not return them. So the animal board has already given a law saying that you have to put them back in the locality after sterilizing them.
Yes, I think that's a balanced judgment.
So then how do we, because no, that's what the animal board is saying, but the Supreme Court has given this diktat, you can't go above the Supreme Court.
No, but later on, Justice Gavai, I think, passed a very balanced and
That
fair
was in
judgment.
August, but now November 7th, they again said that we have to now take them into these shelters, which cannot be built overnight. This is ridiculous, the logistics. I don't know how it will happen. And then again, pick them up. And pick up any dog. There are community dogs who are being fed, looked after, licensed, everything. Pick them up, take them there, and then keep them in these shelters which don't exist. So it's very worrisome for a lot of animal lovers and dog lovers, and for dogs. It's just like they'll be exiled or worse. So what can you do? Because the Supreme Court has given this diktat, so there's no process. You can't take on the Supreme Court.
The law keeps evolving now. It's again like it's a pending thing now. There will be a full-fledged order, I think, after this. And I think the intention is highly bona fide behind this, because this is being done for the safety of living human beings also. Because if you'll see a lot of people actually who've been victim of dog biting and
Yeah, but see, my thing is very clear about that. Animals can't reason, we can reason. Okay, and people are just brought up to be scared of dogs. Because if you talk to any of us, we don't have any problem. There's no biting issue.
Yeah,
I can
because-
walk with any dog pack. There's no problem. They have a prey instinct. Any animal has a prey instinct. If you're going to run, if you're going to get scared, if they can pick that up. But so that's another story. How to educate human beings to behave better.
Correct.
And I totally understand. We're trying to find a compromise. The compromise is that once you sterilize dogs and all the dogs that are not dangerous, not rabid, not aggressive, why are they being locked up in shelters that don't exist? Which is the other worry. Where will these shelters come from? Where's the budget going to come from? How many shelters do you need? Mumbai, where 90,000 dogs are you going to keep very close? We have 8 shelters and 90,000 dogs. So just do the maths. This is true. So I know this is beyond your thing because this is now a social issue which has to be solved by a lot of people.
Correct.
But I'm just asking you, if the Supreme Court says something, then what do we turn to? Public opinion?
But right now, I think that balanced judgment which was passed by
Yeah,
Justice
it's-
Gavai is still prevalent and
Yeah,
still prevailing, and
as
hence,
of-
and hence you see all the dogs around here, on the
They've-
streets,
no,
and I
but
think
they've given them 8 weeks to figure this out, and I don't know what's going to happen by end
Correct.
December, early Jan. Another order will come, and we'll see.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
That'll acquire finality, keeping the balanced view in mind, because you saw the public outrage after the
Yeah.
previous
The first
judgment
time,
by
yeah.
Huh.
Also because it's not very clear the execution of all these things. I would also like to talk about the other, not just doggies, but also men who are frustrated like me. We also should be given shelters. In fact, it's not so much me as these guys. So, no, mat dekho. They're very touchy about it.
to save them from you.
Yeah. I'm telling you, there's a lot of frustrated Indian men, and frustrated, not sexually frustrated only, but frustrated with life. It's like, main kaun hu, main kahan hu,
Identity crisis.
Identity crisis, like what's happening with me and all. So I think we should also be put in some home and looked after, patted a little bit. And,
For some time, I think.
given biscuits. I don't know, whatever makes us happy. Okay.
But to tame them for some time.
Yeah. No, I think not just tame, you also have to feel wanted, no? A lot of Indian men feel lonely.
Then the wives will actually will acknowledge your value and your yeah.
But can I blame society for making me lonely? Can you file a case against society?
But who's making
But
you
these
lonely?
cases against Rahul
Everybody
Gandhi and all.
loves you.
No, but they make these cases. Okay, you said they're frivolous cases. So why can't I make a case saying the society has treated me badly? My lord, I want better
Show
treatment.
me the evidence. Then the evidence would be, he has so many followers. He has millions of followers
They'll
who
be like,
love
we'll take videos of 5 people looking at me and going, like that. No, ho gaya. The pain, the shame, all that. Okay, let's talk serious law. Let's talk serious
manufacturing evidence. Cyrus is manufacturing evidence.
No. So I've got this one story now. It's a little. Shah Rukh Khan's son was caught in that.
Yeah.
What is it? Drug case. I don't know what you want to call it.
Drugs case, yeah.
Party case, drug case.
Cruise
Case. With this Samir Wankhede was the.
Now Samir Wankhede is also my client.
Is he also your client? So can you talk?
Yeah, about?
No, about that first case.
Yeah, of course, because this case
he's your
is-
client for the case
So
against
another case, not this case. I can't
Bastards of Bombay ka movie.
I can't represent him in this case. Anything related to Aryan Khan case, because I was a defense lawyer in the Aryan Khan case.
Yeah,
So,
so just one second. Let me understand. I'm also confused. Stop talking. Huh. So,
yeah.
in-
So I am defending Samir Wankhede in a different defamation case.
so we'll
with
come to that
respect
second.
to-
Now,
Yeah.
let's do this first. So
Aryan
when
Khan.
that Aryan Khan case happened, you defended the other guy.
I defended his friend,
Yeah.
Aveen Sahu,
Right.
and I secured his bail. I mean, that was the first bail amongst 20 individuals who were
Right.
put behind the bars. And this, there's a large chain of conspiracy wala allegation, ये सब कुछ था. तो उसमें it became very difficult for anybody to come out. So I secured bail for Aveen Sahu. He was the first person to come out, and then the co-accused relied on my order, bail order.
Okay, because he got it, then others have to get it.
Yeah.
So in
parity.
a sense,
they relied on my bail. They relied on my bail order.
So all of them
before
got
the
out because
Honorable
you
High
got the
Court
first guy
also.
out.
That was also one of the reasons, because they relied on that order also while they were arguing in the High Court. And of course, then there was nothing was found from Aryan Khan. Nothing was found from my client also. It was just.
So how do they keep them in for so long with no evidence?
I think that's somehow the system, the policy of the system also, because if you see, I think sometimes it's because the nature of the case. These people, we say that they are high profile individuals, but that actually goes against them. In a case like this, I think one of my pertinent argument was also this, that if these individuals who have no criminal antecedents, no background, and they are put behind the bars in the company of hardened criminals, even if they have not done anything, tomorrow they'll come out hardened criminals. They'll actually become gangsters and come out. So what message are we sending out in the society? Because that deterrence approach, forget about that. We should have some sympathetic approach also.
And they're young also.
They're all young individuals. They're all young individuals.
Although
So I
actors,
think-
you cannot tell what their real age is. I've worked with lots of young girls who are actually 40, but still pretending to be 21, 22. So many we've interviewed here. But let's not get distracted. So they
So,
were kept in and no one is responsible for them being kept in. You're saying it just happens.
Yes, and then later on, even my client was granted clean chit along with Aryan Khan.
Huh.
So then what? Now you tell me. Now they did not, of course, file any petition for compensation. But who's going to restore them? Those 21 days that they spent behind the bars, and that entire drama, facade, depression, everything which they went through.
No, your
Trauma.
client was 21 days.
No, my
Cyrus
client
Saukar.
was few lesser days than
Lesser
Aryan
days,
Khan.
okay.
He was
And
the first one
he
to
was?
come out. His
Okay.
name is Aveen Sahu.
Aveen Sahukar.
Aveen Sahu,
Sahu.
not Sahukar. Car ad.
Saukar. Huh.
Aveen
Okay.
Sahu. Yeah.
Aveen Sahu. So he got out first, then the others got out a few days after that.
Yeah, correct,
okay.
correct. So nobody's going to restore them, no? Those number of days that has
Yeah.
been spent behind
Actually,
the bars.
that's a very
Who's
good
gonna
point. Under
compensate?
trials and all that, when they are, you can't give them back their life.
But they can still always file a petition
What
later
will
on
they
for
get?
compensation.
What will they get?
They can always demand because they
Has
have.
anyone got?
There
If you
have
spend
been
2
few
years behind bars
instances.
waiting for trial and then you're innocent, how do you pay
You
me
always
back?
have the option to file a petition for seeking compensation, of course, because you have already spent your 2 precious years in behind the bars. So there's always a remedy available. But I think that it's not really people don't really
What
go
happens
that
abroad?
route usually.
Abroad in West and all, do they get it?
They must be. They do file it.
For being jailed
For
innocently.
being
innocent and-
maliciously incarcerated, maliciously implicated in all these cases.
The other thing we have is all our judges seem to have this huge backlog of cases. Now,
Yeah,
I understand
I
that
think-
it's already there.
Correct.
वो एक
correct. No,
चीज़ है.
I've been very vocal about this, of
So
course.
what do
that
we do? How do we...
that's why special courts are being formed for special statutes like POXO हो गया, drugs हो गया तो NDPS के लिए,
Can't they just remove
UAPA
cases
के
which
लिए.
are not so important, to be honest? Lesser
That's what-
important.
I know that's why sometimes I've been very vocal about this, that why do these cases keep on lingering for years with no conclusion. It cannot just go on indefinitely. So I think that expeditious disposal of the case is also very important. But then उसके लिए वैसा फिर even judges are not to be blamed sometimes.
No, judges are not to be
वैसे-
blamed. They're
correct.
inheriting the cases, no?
Correct.
The system is going on for the last year. I'm so upset I broke the mic because I'm from a legal background. But it's going on for 3 generations. It's not like it just happened.
Correct.
But how do
Especially
we-
in civil cases, so you'll see cases lingering since 20 years, 30 years. आदमी मर जाता है, उसके rights defeat हो जाते हैं और case चलता रहता है.
I feel in a lot of cases, criminal cases or civil cases where they involve 2 men, we should just take them into a nukkad area or something and say, now you fight. It will save so much time. Honestly, sometimes
actually,
I think
out of
because
court
they're
settlement
small
is usually
issues,
encouraged and appreciated by courts also. So many times, there are in fact so many cases filed by siblings against each other, family members. So court usually always is of the view that why don't you first go for mediation? So उससे कितने half the problem gets solved. Why do you have to actually approach the court for such frivolous cases and unnecessarily frustrate the
Waste the
judge,
time.
frustrate the lawyers? Yeah.
And there's some serious cases which he needs to deal with, which he never comes to because he's dealing with all these small cases.
Absolutely.
You think I'll make a good judge? No.
You
I'll stay with criminal. Criminal is my thing.
I think
Let's
you'll
not-
become a great lawyer.
I would have made a good lawyer.
I think
I feel.
you've already completed your 1 year, just 2 more years. You're doing 3 years law course or 5 years?
I know my career is going nowhere, but I'm thinking, it's not the worst idea, really. Yeah.
You've done your fun. Your 3 years or 5 years?
I did the mood court also, I remember. I had so much
Everything, you've
fun.
done everything.
No, एक year में I did everything except we slept in them because 6 to 9 you can't keep awake here. It's tough. And all I learned was accents because we had one Sindhi, one Parsi, one Maharashtrian, one Tamil. So I picked up all the accents, but I couldn't remember what they said. But I could do the accents. So even now when I don't get sleep, the accents come to me.
Still haunting you.
No, I dream of beautiful women with those accents. And then when I see a woman who doesn't have that accent, I get so disappointed. Yeah, I just don't know where to go. Samir Wankhede. So you're defending him on a defamation suit?
Yeah,
that he's
defamation case
filed?
against Mr. Nawab Malik.
Oh.
That's a separate case altogether. Which we're doing.
Right.
So, but now, so that's what I mean, I'm not barred from defending him in another case, but in that particular case, where I can't really defend him. In the Aryan Khan case.
You can't.
Because I was associated with that case, yeah.
With the other side.
Yeah, I'm already a defense lawyer in that case.
You can't.
So it won't be ethical on my part to
right.
represent him in that case, but then I can take up other cases.
Right.
So I've never really questioned him or maligned him even while I was defending Aryan Khan because he was just doing his job, honestly. He's just the face of the investigation. There are a lot of other factors also that have to be taken into consideration. So he was just doing his job. But otherwise, of course, after this, the whole goof up in the investigation when was, revealed. So of course, I maintain the fact that the accountability has to be clearly, pointed out towards all individuals who are acting.
Because the system is them. They are the system. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Which brings us to the most important point. Did you get to meet Shah Rukh?
I got a message from the team.
Oh.
From the team, yeah.
No, not from him personally.
From the team. From his
Red
team.
Chilies.
From his team. No.
What's the team called?
I'm from
Kolkata Knight Riders. Sahi jawab.
I also own a cricket team.
What?
Yeah.
What cricket team?
It's called Mumbai Marines. It's a big cricket league.
The tennis ball league?
No, it's a cricket league.
What cricket league?
And it's a big cricket league. I think it's a very novel concept.
Okay.
Concept where all legendary retired players play with
Really?
the fresh, all those fresh players who've never got the opportunity to play, so they get an opportunity. The league really picks the best ones from each state, and then they play with the legendary.
So who's in
player.
your team?
My captain is Irfan Pathan.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
He brought
Yeah,
biryani.
I won the first season. Last year was the first season which I
Because
only
Irfan
won.
has remained fit, Actually, in the legend games and all, if you see, Irfan is one of those guys who's
That's
fit.
why I picked him.
His batting is fantastic and his bowling is a little slower than what it was, but it's right.
But I made
some
him
of them are
bowl
not.
also.
Some of them are not. Like Carl Hooper of the West Indies, if you see,
Yeah.
is huge.
Yeah.
So some of them, it's unfair. One guy is fit and he's looking just little 20% less than what he was. Or दूसरा तो पता नहीं whether he could ever have been a cricketer. I mean, when you look at that, that's why these games are a little odd sometimes.
But
so
it's fun,
you own the team.
I own the team.
So you call up Irfan and tell him what to do and all.
I do, and he does also. He's a very sweet guy.
Who else is there?
Suresh Raina. And,
nice.
Yeah, and there are a lot of players.
You know your players, na?
Yeah.
Sana? I know you're a great lawyer, but maybe you don't like
Of course,
cricket
no.
that much.
I was just trying to mention the name of a player from another team.
Who?
I'll tell you.
Give me a hint.
You know who's just recently retired? He's also a legendary
Virat
player.
Kohli.
Arey no, yeah, not Virat.
Rohit Sharma.
Arey no, 1 second. This one.
Chiteshwar Pujara. He's not retired.
No.
Chiteshwar Pujara.
Arey, this guy who's.
From red ball? White ball?
I'll just tell. Should I?
Please check.
1 second.
You're Sana, you must know
One
this.
second. I didn't know his name. He's not my team member.
Huh?
He's from another team.
Which generation? Just retired.
Just retired. He's a legendary player.
Huh?
1
The
second.
last
I'll
legendary
just
players. Ashwin.
1 second.
Ashwin, Rohit and Virat. Just before that, Pujara. Just before that.
Shikhar Dhawan. Yeah.
Shikhar Dhawan, a little bit back.
Yeah,
Retired a
Shikhar
little bit
Dhawan.
back.
Retired
yeah,
last
yeah.
year only.
Yeah.
Shikhar
Yeah.
Dhawan.
Well, retired from all cricket, but he had international cricket before that.
Correct.
Okay.
Just last year he
He's
retired.
got a foreign girlfriend. That's what I've noticed. So he's
Yeah.
also playing in this league.
Yeah.
Excellent. It's good. You should. How much will it cost to buy a team? Nee? Okay, quick. Before we run out of time, tell me about Big Boss experience. You
Big-
went on. You're a Supreme Court lawyer. I think you're the first. There was one other lawyer guy who had gone on, but he got out in the first round.
Yeah. I was there for quite a long time.
You were there a
actually.
long time, and also completely different world for you.
Yeah, it was. But I think I usually just gave it back to people who tried to mess around with me. I had a no nonsense attitude, and I was always like, and I never
But did
really.
you feel that sometimes they're acting vicious?
Absolutely, I felt that. You know,
Such
people
mein nahi hai, such
because
mein nahi
we
hai,
are so
just
real. We
putting
are
on, yeah.
we are real
Yeah.
people. We don't do things for
Yeah.
the camera. But I definitely felt
Correct.
that things. So sometimes people are just doing it for the sake of the camera. And I
Give them the cameras
really
and send the
pity-
voices.
I pity them in my head.
Voices out saying, "Kya chapal nahi hai?" I'm
Huh?
like, why are you so angry? It's not adding up, no? The anger. Yeah.
Correct. Does not. Yeah, it's not in consonance with the
No. Luckily, see, being married, my wife Aisha also is like that. So I do understand that sometimes there's no reason for anger. But after it was like surreal, कि हुआ क्या?
Achha, so
You see the
people
mood
were doing that.
No, people are
with you.
shouting and you're wondering why they're angry. They're not really angry, they're acting angry.
Yeah, acting angry. Yeah,
And-
correct. It's a reality show. You got to be real there, right?
Yeah,
People
so-
are acting
So
actually
I
all the
think
time.
जितना भी
That's
dramatic
how you lose the
हो जाए,
fun.
हाँ, तो dramatic हो जाए and then people will join in and watch you or something like that.
I think that show is not for intellectuals like us.
No,
That's
no,
what
no,
I feel.
no, it's not for intellectual, but I'll tell you, all kind of people watch it. When I came out, all kind of people spoke to me
Yeah.
about it. Not just, whatever, all types.
Yeah. In
So-
fact, OTT also, no? You
OTT,
did an
OTT,
OTT,
other
correct?
OTT, yeah.
Ah.
And people abroad, some of them are watching that 24 hours. I mean, what do you watch for 24 hours? Guys, walk into the toilet, you're watching. It's not like a leopard ka spotting or something. I understand leopard ka spotting Nat Geo pe. This is a bloody 2-bit TV actor is walking, tick, 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 and you're watching. I mean, how bad is our life? Yeah,
And
really.
people are enjoying, no?
People enjoy it. It's a super success. Whether you like it or not, you have to accept that.
It's the
Yeah.
number one reality show of the
By
country.
far.
Correct.
I think only cricket rivals
I
it.
think that must have prompted
Okay.
us to say yes to
We
the
are
show.
just, before we end, Vicky and Ankita.
They're good friends.
Huh.
They're still good friends. In fact, we spoke last month only.
You know why? Because you're a very, very high profile lawyer, and doctors and lawyers are the friends you must keep. Because you don't know when and how you'll need them.
Correct. But
Suddenly
not
the
everybody
same.
can afford my fees. So yeah.
Well, they're thinking of Big Boss ka, Pechan and, come on, batch of 2022, 3, whatever it was. Huh? You charge money to friends also. How much will Supreme Court, if you go, it's a different thing.
No,
no?
I don't charge for. I mean, but then if I really start doing that, then every client.
No, correct.
will-
Of course you should
will
charge. That's your
start
real business. Yeah.
Befriending me.
नहीं.
घोड़ा घास से दोस्ती कर लेगा तो खाएगा
Yeah,
क्या?
my God, exactly. No. You must charge. But just for the record, if somebody wants to get in touch with you, how much will you?
For the record, I'll tell you off the record.
Okay. For murder,
For you
कितना?
always
For murder,
free.
कितना?
For you always for free.
मैं murder नहीं करता किसको. I don't like blood. Then
You murder people
Mine-
with your words.
mine is only.
With your humor.
I hope I hurt people. But mine is mostly. Even divorce, I'm scared. Like you said, cost.
Maintenance,
Cost to
alimony,
company,
वो
not
सब.
worth it.
पर मैं बचा लूंगी. Don't worry.
Yeah. Aisha.
No. But I really fond of Aisha,
Yeah.
So
Ah.
no chance.
AC on रखो. Husband आ गया घर पे. खाना बनाओ. Oh, I miss those days. I dare talk like that. She slaps and all this. It's very aggressive.
Miss those
Today's
days.
woman has become too aggressive, yaar. What do we do? And us puski men, we are anyway puskis. You can't do this. We are basically like carpets with legs. They just walk on us. It's
No.
ridiculous. Yeah.
In fact, women won't walk on men like you.
Yeah?
Yeah, they would walk on men like who are super aggressive and who like to trample on their rights. I think they would deserve such kind of treatment.
And you're looking over
You
my
like
shoulder
you, though, we are
at
like
the camera.
gushing over such men all the time. It's so funny, so
Saying all
cute.
nice things to me, na?
So funny. I love his sense of humor. I think if you've got a humorous guy in your life, I think 90% of your problems are solved.
What is very ugly?
Huh?
Humorous but very ugly. तो मतलब radio personality, not TV personality. Then?
I think still it will work, because
Really?
ultimately, if laughing is really good for your health.
So many
I
men
think.
across India are so happy now. Ugly तो है. Comedy इतना खास नहीं है, but ugly तो है. So 50% they've
It's not
nailed it.
necessary to marry every guy, who's humorous. It's, if
That's
it's,
true.
yeah. So,
Why are we getting so romantic? कि marry.
yeah, humorous है तो best friend तो बन सकता है.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
You're single. Okay. Are you looking to get married?
I will eventually in the future.
Eventually मतलब cut off date कहाँ है?
अभी तो ये साल तो नहीं, ये साल तो खत्म हो
ये
गया.
तो हो गया. 26 end?
26 and 27 तक, yeah.
27 end?
Yeah. Not in the coming year also. I doubt this.
Aisha! You have 1 year to prove yourself. 26 December, इसी वक्त पे, इसी date पे. Last chance. Thanks, Sana. This is great talking to you.
It was seriously,
Wonderful.
likewise.
Really,
I really
yeah.
had a blast. I think this was
Yeah.
the most fun podcast I've ever had.
Yes, I don't know if it was that good, but it was fun.
It was hysterical.
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो,
प्लीज तमीज से बात करना है ना, इम्पोर्टेंट पीपल यार.